we are, enjoying our morning nap time. Everybody's got the required seating spot. Maddie loves the love seat. Ellie loves a specific corner of the sofa. Jack, incognito, blends right into the top of the sofa. And Brodie loves his chair. It looks like Brodie's been a little busy this morning. Yeah, that looks like a bit of dirt on your nose, buddy. Oh, look at the two of you. Such a pretty pair. Yes, Jack. Pretty convinced you think you're a Great Dane. Yes, and that's okay. You're leader of the pack. All right, guys, well, enjoy nap time. Brodie's having sweet dreams about dirt. Look at you, you're all cuddled up. How come you can't sleep like that at night in the bed? Yeah, you sprawl out and you stretch from one end to the other. Funny girl. All right, guys, let's see if I can get you all in the photo. Enjoy nap time.